Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Snap Layout not working in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Multitasking. Make sure turn on Snap Windows. Make sure check Show Snap Layouts when I hover a Windows' Maximize button. If same error still exists, second method is, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click and expand Advanced. Open Enable Snap Assist Flyout. Make sure value data is 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.